Today, I am reviewing the KAMRUI E3B Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ryzen 5 7430U is the core reason the E3B feels so capable. While it sits at a modest 15W power envelope, the Zen 3 architecture and improved single-core performance make a noticeable difference in everyday tasks. Web browsing feels snappy even with many tabs open, Office applications respond instantly, and general system navigation stays smooth without microstutters. Compared to older chips like the Ryzen 5 5500U, the uplift in responsiveness is real, especially in tasks that rely on single-thread speed. The system feels quicker to react, not just faster in benchmarks. Over long work sessions, performance remains consistent rather than degrading due to heat or power limits, which says a lot about how well this mini PC is tuned. Multitasking is handled comfortably thanks to the included 16GB of DDR4 memory. For most users, this is more than enough to run productivity software, browsers, communication apps, and background services simultaneously without slowdowns. What really adds value here is the expandability. Unlike many compact systems that lock you into soldered memory, the E3B allows you to scale up to 64GB if your needs grow. That flexibility makes the system feel like a longer-term investment rather than something you'll outgrow quickly. Storage performance is solid as well. The 512GB M.2 SSD keeps boot time short and file access fast, and the dual M.2 slots provide room for expansion if you need more capacity later. This is especially useful for users who deal with large files, media libraries, or project-based work. Graphics performance from the Radeon Vega 7 integrated GPU is exactly what you want from a system in this category. Desktop animations are smooth, video playback is flawless, and running multiple high-resolution displays doesn't stress the system. Triple 4K displays support genuinely changes how productive this mini PC can be. Being able to spread your workflow across 3 monitors without lag makes tasks like coding, document management, content creation, and data analysis far more comfortable. Even light gaming is possible here. Titles like esports games or older releases run well at sensible settings, making the E3B more versatile than a purely office-focused machine. The inclusion of a full-function USB Type-C port is one of those features that you don't fully appreciate until you use it. Having a single port that can handle data, display output, and power delivery adds a level of convenience that simplifies desk setups. Combined with a wide range of USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and Ethernet, connectivity never feels like a limitation. You can connect multiple peripherals, external drives, monitors, and accessories without relying on hubs or adapters, which makes everyday use smoother and less cluttered. Wireless performance is another strong point. Wi-Fi 6 delivers stable, fast connections even in congested environments, and it holds up well during video calls, streaming, and large downloads. Bluetooth 5.2 pairs quickly with peripherals and maintains a reliable connection without random drops. These are small things, but over time they contribute heavily to a frustration-free experience. Thermals and noise are handled sensibly. During normal office work and media use, the system remains quiet and unobtrusive. Under heavier loads, the fan becomes audible but never distracting or harsh. Heat is controlled well enough that performance doesn't suddenly dip, reinforcing the feeling that this mini PC is built for sustained daily use rather than short bursts. What ultimately defines the KAMRUI E3B is balance. It doesn't chase extreme specs or try to compete with high-end gaming systems. Instead, it focuses on delivering consistent performance, practical expandability, strong connectivity, and multi-monitor support in a compact, efficient package. Over time, it becomes the kind of machine you trust. You stop thinking about whether it can handle what you're doing and just get on with your work. In daily use, the E3B proves itself as a dependable mini desktop that fits seamlessly into home offices, professional workspaces, and even light entertainment setups. It doesn't demand attention, it doesn't overpromise, and it doesn't disappoint once the novelty wears off. For users looking for a compact PC that delivers steady performance, flexibility, and real-world usability without unnecessary compromises, the KAMRUI E3B ends up being a quietly satisfying choice that earns its place through reliability rather than hype.